If you want to download ringtones on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar just search this. Now just install this app on your tablet, and after you do that, then tap on Open. Now from here just tap on the X icon, then at the bottom of the screen just tap on Ringtones. Now from here just select the ringtone which you like, and if you want to set a specific song as your ringtone, in the search bar just search the name of the song. But for now I will select this option. Now after you select your preferred ringtone, then tap on the download icon. Select set ringtone, then enable this toggle. Now after you do that, then just go back. Now as you can see, we have successfully set a custom ringtone on our tablet. Now if I go to the home screen and if I go to settings, now under settings just tap on sounds. Now if I go to the ringtone section, as you can see, we have successfully set a custom ringtone on our tablet, just like that. And this is how you can set a custom ringtone on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.